Got everything apart here. What I did was I found a plugged hose. The beater bar was seized up. Beater bar was seized, and I just wanted to give it a really good cleaning. Here's the top here, and if air whistles out of here, that means that you either have a plugged hose or one of the filters is jammed. With my last machine, the HEPA filter was plugged. I got a coat hanger. Here's the hose. You can just push the coat hanger in to get all the stuff out of there. And here's the body. The motor sits in here. You can also fish a coat hanger down in there. Here's the other filter here. You want to make sure that this filter here is clean too. Now I'm going to start with the canister. I haven't screwed it all back together. You see it, I still have it apart here. But you can take this apart. See, they've got little which way it goes in. You can just take the screws out and turn this, and that comes out, and you can wash all this. Now I'm going to put it back together now. Okay, I'm going to put the main motor back in. Got two rubber mounts here. There's one. I guess it's for vibration. There's this foam dust that goes right around the motor here, like right, goes around the wires and everything. Get the mounts lined up here. Now I'm going to put the cover back. Most people don't have to go this far to get their machine working, but I wanted to clean it all up, just to line it up here. And then you can put the screws back. You got a bunch of screws along the edge here. And when you want to get at the motor, and you got all the screws taken apart, you put a screwdriver right on the top there. There's a little catch right in there. There, see? The motor part back on the base of the body. Now you see there's one clamp here on one side, and the other clamp is right here. So the first clamp is this one here. You put two screws in there. I'm going to do the other side here. Now the other side has that switch. And that activates the brush roller when your vacuum cleaner is in this position. Then when you flip it back up, the brush motor stops. You hear the switch there? Okay. Okay, I have the board in place, and the motor just sits right there, and I'm just routing the wires around in here again, putting them back into their little places here. See, for these wires here, there's little slots right in there. This one, there's a slot here. Okay, now I'm going to put the top back on. There's a whole pile of screws in there. Make sure it's fit in there. Okay, now I can start putting some screws in. A few on the top and underneath. Okay, I've put 2 screws. See this little fancy clip? That holds the top piece on. Sits in there like that. Now I can put 2 screws in. Okay, now we're at the back side. You can put 3 screws in, like 1, 2, 3. And then this red reflection piece sits right in here. And put 1 screw in there. What I did was I took the caps off and I squirted some WD-40 in the bearings so it rolls nice. Put the belt on. And I do have to mention that there's 2 little gaskets in here on this side which have to be in there, otherwise the dust will get into the belt right here if these gaskets aren't on there. And they sit right in here too as well. Line this up a little bit here. Give it a spin. It's in place. And you can snap it into place, put the screws in, and I even took the little wheelies off. And it's got these little pins. And you can just snap them back in there. Just like there's the HEPA filter. Yeah, I got the handle. The handle's in place. You can adjust the height. Okay, the next piece to put on is this vent here. And the bracket goes like that. The screws in. The hose here has 2 little wings on it, just opposite of each other here. And a little hose bracket. Just ready. Check out the suction here on this. See what happens when you plug up the hose? It hisses there. Exactly what it's supposed to do.